Using external devices in Windows 11 is as easy as it gets. However, sometimes you might run into problems. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can fix a microphone in Windows 11. Now the first thing that you're going to do is check your input device. To do this, we press Windows key plus I to head over to Windows settings. Then we click on System, then Sound. And then you're going to want to scroll all the way down to the input section, and as you can see, I currently have my Razer Siren Mini selected, and you can see the volume levels moving here. If I go ahead and select any other mouse as input, for example, if I select the microphone array, the input will change the way it was going on. Same goes for this device as well. I do it and the input completely changes. But this is the mic that I'm using currently, and this is the levels you can say. So this is really the first step that you need to do, is to make sure that the correct mic is set as your input device. If that doesn't help, the next step you can do is to head over to the privacy and security section. Then in here we are going to come all the way down to microphone, and in this section as you can see, there are a bunch of sliders. The first one is if Windows or apps can use your microphone, and obviously that's going to be enabled. And then underneath you are going to see a list of apps which can use your microphone. So just go ahead and make sure that all of these toggles are enabled for the respective apps. There will be one toggle which will say ask permission for desktop apps to be able to use your microphone. So we're going to make sure that that toggle is enabled as well. Next up, if the Windows settings didn't solve this problem, chances are you might need to check app specific settings. For example, if I open up Discord, which is going to take a while to open up because I haven't started it in like 10 days. If I open up Discord and I head over to the settings, then I go to voice and video, you can see that I have input and output devices separate from what Windows settings will assign me. So this way I can select my microphone right here, and I can check whether the mic is working properly or not. Another thing that you can look at is upgrading your audio drivers. Now to do this, we press Windows key plus X to open the quick access menu, and we will click on the device manager right here. In here we are going to sound devices, so right here sound, video and game controllers, and if you double click you will see all of your different audio devices right here, both input and output. What we are going to do is we're going to find our mic in this list, right click and then click on update driver. You will want to let Windows automatically search for your drivers, and as you can see I already have the best drivers installed. You might not. So just make sure that you've updated your drivers and we're good to go. Last but not least, there is another thing that you can try. You can try running the Windows audio troubleshooter. Now to do this, just press the Windows key and search for troubleshoot settings. Press enter to fire this up. Then click on other troubleshooters and you will find the audio troubleshooter right on top. So just go all the way to the other end, click on run and let the troubleshooter do its job. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you on the next video.